Hello everyone, today we are going to start with Java, introduction to Java. Before Java, there were so many languages like Fortran, COBOL, and Basics. After that, B was introduced, then B led to C, C programming led to C++ programming, and C++ then set the stage of Java programming. She was very much powerful other than the Fortran, COBOL and all that basic languages, but and also structured language. But the still problem was its complexity. It was very hard because of pointers. Pointers were introduced in C, and the problem was pointers can directly access the memory location, which is very much insecure case. And the second problem was the goto statement. Goto and all that stuff was directly pointing to that memory location, to that point of code. So this language was introduced in December 1989, but because of its complexity, still there was a need to find a new language called C++. C++ is C with classes. The classes and objects are introduced in C++, but all that stuff in C++ was not easily internet friendly, and it was introduced in 1990s. And after that, all the easy stuff was created using Java. That easily internet friendly application can be created in Java, very much simple to learn and easily portable. Okay, so next we are going to have the characteristics of Java. First characteristic is object oriented language. It's purely object oriented language. Other than classes, you cannot create anything. You cannot run the code in Java. Okay, so it is a clean usable programming approach to objects. You are creating classes, you are creating objects of classes, and then you are using the Java language. Next is simple. It is very simple to understand if you are knowing the basic of C and C++ programming. What are keywords, what are control structures, what are looping structures, and all that stuff, then it is very simple to learn. Then secure. It provides firewall. Before the Java language, there was a need that provides security from the viruses. Anything that is executable from the internet was downloaded, but the problem was it can it could hack your passwords and your credit card statements and secure data and all that stuff, and that was not expected. But Java is very strong. It provides firewall between your network application and your computer. So any executable file that is of Java cannot allow anybody to steal your personal information, scanning the personal files that are located in your computer. So you can use them without viruses. Next is portable. Java creates executable code on all the platforms. You can create a Java program and you can run that code, same code, on any platform that is available. Next is robust. It checks your code at compile time. Means what? If you are creating a Java program, any simple small silly mistakes that you create when you are creating a program, that are indicated or warned to you when you are creating a code, and before your compilation and execution, most of error free code is given to you so that it can be reliably run on any platform. For a new example is memory allocation and deallocation. For example, other than Java, C and C++ were introduced. In that, the problem was any memory location that you have to assign. uh, for pointers, for example, you have to create using new or malloc, and you have to deallocate using dealloc and free function. So it was compulsory to create, uh, use and free the location, but sometimes you may forget to allocate the memory and and as well as deallocate the memory, or in some cases you are allocating and using the memory, and then then you are forgetting to deallocate the same memory. So it is not expected, and it creates the malfunctioning program. For that, Java is allowed to you the basic memory allocation and deallocation is done for you automatically, so you don't have to care for that. So in that way, Java is very much robust. It can be reliably run on all the platforms. Then multi-threaded means what? You can create a program, and in the same program multiple tasks can be run simultaneously, giving a predefined set of time. Using threads, you can set the time, you can give the wait function, you can give sleep function, and in that function you can allocate the time for the each task that to be executed. It is architecture neutral, means what? If you are creating one program, and that same system can be updated to the new version, and for example Windows 7 can be upgraded to Windows 10, or Windows 10 can have updates later, but it is very much architecture neutral. If you are writing a code once, it is very much tough that it can be run anywhere, anytime, forever. You don't have to modify that code again and again on each and every update. It is very much interpreted language. It creates a cross-platform applications by creating a bytecode. Whenever program is executed, bytecode is generated, and that bytecode can be interpreted and output can be generated on any machine that is having Java virtual machine installed in that PC. Next is high performance, because Java bytecode can be easily and in minimum time translated to native machine code, and that native machine code generates the expected output as soon as possible. Next is distributed programming. It is designed for distributed environment of internet. Basically, the need of Java was internet, other than C++. C++ was also having classes and objects, but it was not suitable for the internet applications. So Java is designed for distributed environment of internet applications. And the last characteristics of Java is dynamic. Java program carry runtime information with them. So if you are carrying a Java program, so very much runtime information is with them all the time, and that small fragments of bytecode, that bytecode can be dynamically updated on any running system anywhere, forever. So this was the introduction to Java. In the next topics, we can have the three basic principles of Java, and then again the simple program that can be written and executed using Java using Eclipse. Thank you so much.